Hey everyone, my name's Ashlyn Schultz. Sorry the lighting's really bad in my room. But I'm originally from Gearing, Nebraska, and if you don't know where that's at, it's like 3.5 hours from Denver, Colorado, and like 45 minutes from the Wyoming border. It's way out in the Panhandle, like as far west as you can go. I'm currently living in Lincoln, Nebraska. I'm a senior at UNL. I'm majoring in community health and wellness with a minor in athletic coaching. I am currently an assistant basketball coach for the girls basketball team, JV and varsity at Lincoln North Star. It's been a blast so far. Girls are awesome. Coaching staff's awesome. I after graduation in May, I plan to go off to nursing school. I was going to do the accelerated program, and that starts in January. That's why I'm taking this class through Doan. But I've also, so with my degree, our capstone is actually an internship, and I actually have fallen in love with that internship in the past week. And so I kind of have contemplated about just getting my master's degree in public health. Kind of want to become maybe a public health analyst. And so it's kind of throwing a curve in my timeline, as you might call it. And so, um, haven't really decided, I guess, what way I'm going, but I'm taking these classes because originally I wanted to become a nurse. And if I take the nursing route, um, like I said, do the accelerated program, which is depending on what school, it's 12 to 15 months. And then after I get my BS in, I'm gonna work for a year to 2 years, and then I actually want to become a travel nurse, um, and then settle down somewhere and hopefully have a family and become a nurse practitioner. I love kids, so maybe um, down the pediatric route is probably maybe where I would go. But if I went into nursing, I would definitely keep my mind open and options open. I don't want to narrow anything down because opportunities can come unexpectedly. I'm involved heavily in this nonprofit organization called PALS. Um, it's a week long camp, excuse me, for individuals with Down syndrome where they just come and they're paired one on one and they're there for a week and we do awesome things. It's kind of all over. Mainly in the East Coast is where a lot of them are at. Coming from Nebraska, everyone's like, how do you even find this out? But I just searched it found it on Facebook and kind of started finding their web pages and stuff and instantly fell in love. And so I'm currently a PALS ambassador, and I will be going into my second year at volunteering at PALS. Um, at home, back in Gearing, I have one dog. She's my absolute best friend. I am an only child, which is crazy. People always are so mind blown about it, and I don't really understand why, but that's okay. Um, and I also have a very, very, very weird obsession with skydiving. I want to skydive in all 50 states. I started skydiving a year and a half ago when we took a family trip to Hawaii. It was kind of a thing that I was like, you gotta do it. It's a one in a lifetime chance. Did it, fell in love with it. Came back the following year for Christmas. We went to Arizona, skydived there, and then for my 21st birthday last year, I went to Las Vegas and skydived in Nevada. And I need to go again because it's time. My time is up. I need to go skydiving. Um, but yeah, that's about it, and I'm excited to take this course.